At this time, I'd like to go through the recommended tools to install most Pro Control systems, which inside of our manuals, you will see that we have a tool and material list, which we have on this table. Since all vessels are different, we highly recommend that you read both manuals prior to your installation of the Pro Control system. Also in the manual, if you flip it around, we have a QR code for multiple languages and other countries. Within that list of tools, we have an electric drill, we have a tape measure, we have a 3/16 and 7/16 drill bits within this kit here. We have a 2 1/16 hole saw, a ratchet, a 5/16 Allen head, a pencil. We have sealant for the screws that'll be fastening the blades to the hull, and also the wire passage. We also have a fish tape and some cord that we can pull the cables through. Also on the table, we have necessary protective gear while we're doing the installation, as well as some painter's tape. We have a straight edge that is used to find the appropriate angle for the trim tab relative to the running surface of the vessel. If you don't have a straight edge, you can use a level as well. We also have additional tools that are not listed in the manual that make the job go a little bit easier. We have a universal joint that can make the installation easier when we're working within pockets. We have a set of cutters to trim wires if needed. We have a set of strippers, and we have a set of heavy duty crimpers as well. Now that we've gone over the Pro Control kit, its contents, and the tools required to do the job, let's get started on this beautiful Boston whaler here at the Lenco facility located in Stuart, Florida.